Hello everyone, welcome to another session of online math classroom. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is angles and pairs of angles. We have already completed two chapters in math, integers and chapter number 3 LCM and HCF. Today we are going to do chapter number 4. This is the objective for today. Students will be able to recall angle, vertex, arms and identify the interior and exterior points of an angle. So we have already completed in grade 6 what what do you mean by angle, what do you mean by vertex, what do you mean by arms. So we are going to do a quick revision, okay, a quick recap of what are angles, vertex and arms, and what are we going to learn today. We are going to learn something new. There are two terms, interior and exterior points. So we are going to learn what are interior and exterior points of an angle today. So let's quickly start. Alright, here you can see there is one question. Look at the figure and answer the following questions in the table given below. So this is the table, right? First, if you will see on the right hand side of your screen, there is one figure ABC, right? This is an angle. What do you mean by an angle? This is something that we have already done in grade 6. Meaning of an angle: angle is a figure formed when two arms meet at a common point. So an angle is a geometrical figure, ये एक figure होता है which is formed when two arms matlab when two rays, right, when they meet at a common point. So if you will see in this figure, what are the two arms? The two arms are AB and BC. Arms are nothing but sides. So यहाँ पे दो arms कौन से दिख रहे हैं? कोई भी angle के दो arms होते हैं. तो इसके दो arms क्या है? एक है AB और एक है BC, right? So this both the arms are meeting at which point? What is the common point here? The common point is B. So therefore this is forming an angle. Now you have to write down the name. What is the name of the angle? So the name of the angle is angle ABC. You can write down in words angle ABC, या तो आप angle का symbol use कर सकते हो. What is the symbol? Can you see in your screen? That is the symbol used for angle, right? Angle का symbol जो होता है वो ऐसा shape बनाओ angle का and write ABC. So name of the angle is angle ABC. Vertex of the angle. So there are three vertices of the angle. For any angle there are three vertices, right? Here if you will see, what are the three vertices of an angle? Angle A, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Vertex is nothing but the corner or corner points of the angle, right? The points which are at the corner are called as the vertex. So vertex में क्या क्या आएंगे? A, B and C. What are the arms of the angle? Arms मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, arms are nothing but the two sides of the angles. So यहाँ पे कौन से दो arms है? एक है arm AB और एक है arm BC, right? So this is something that we have done in grade 6. I just wanted to do a quick revision so that you don't forget, okay? You have to remember these three important things. First, how to write down the name of the angle. Second, what are the vertex of the angles? Vertex मतलब जो points होते हैं which are on the angle, and what are the arms of the angles? Arms are nothing but the sides. So this is something new that we are going to do today, okay? Interior and exterior points of an angle. Stay with me, listen very carefully, okay? So if you will see on the right hand side of your screen, there is a figure given, right? आपको एक figure दिख रहा है ये? This is an angle. What is the name of the angle? The name of the angle is PQR because these 3 points are on the angle. They are the corners of the angles. So angle PQR में PQR में what are the points which are on the angle? point P, point Q and point R. These are the 3 points which are on the angle, right? Points P, Q and R are on the angle. Now if you will notice class, there are some points which are inside the angle and there are some points which are outside the angle. What are the points which are inside the angle? Point N, point M, point O and point T. These 4 points are inside the angle. Inside मतलब angle के अंदर है, right? Points N, M, O and T. These 4 points are inside the angle. And there are some points which are outside the angle, मतलब angle के बाहर है, which are neither in the plane nor on the angle, which are outside. What are those points? Points are points G, D, S and E. These are the 4 points which are outside the angle, right? Points G, D, S and E are outside the angle. So अभी तक हमने क्या किया? We identified what are the points which are on the angle. पहले जो angle पे है वो points लिखो. Then what are the points which are inside the angle and what are the points which are outside the angle. Okay, just understand this much. So basically class, interior and exterior points क्या होते हैं angle के? Now we'll learn. This is the picture I have taken from your textbook. So in the plane of the figure alongside, if you will see this figure, the groups of points like point N, M, T, right? N, M, O and T, all these 4 points which are not on the arms of the angles, जो के angles के arms पे नहीं है, मतलब जो के angle पे नहीं है, form the interior of the angle PQR. So interior points of angle PQR are point N, point M, point O and point T. जो अंदर होते हैं they are called interior. The group of points in the plane of the angle like point G, point D, point E, which are neither on the arms nor in its interior, form the exterior of the angle. Exterior का मतलब जो के ना तो आर्म्स पे आने चाहिए, मतलब जो के पॉइंट्स जो एंगल पे होते हैं उस पे भी नहीं होने चाहिए और अंदर भी नहीं होना चाहिए. जो बाहर पॉइंट्स होते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एज exterior of the angle. They are called as exterior points of the angle. Very simple. Points which are inside are called interior. Points which are outside are called exterior. Points which are on the arms are called points on the angle. I hope that you now understood how to identify interior and exterior points of an angle. This are your homework question. Question 1. I have taken this from your 6th grade ka textbook. So you just have to draw this table in your notebook. Draw this 3 figure and then write down these answers. Okay. So first question is name of the angle. What is the name of this angle? If you will see figure 1, the name of the angle would be it is angle PYR, right? आपको ऐसा नाम लिखना है. What are the vertexes of the angle? What are the vertex of this first figure? Vertex P, vertex Y, vertex R. What are the arms of the angle? What are the arms of this figure? So there are always 2 arms. First is PY and second one is arm YR. This is what you have to do. So pause your video here, draw this table in your notebook and then go ahead. Okay, this is your homework question. This is your second homework question. Observe the following angle and answer the questions. So you have to see this angle, see this figure. This is an angle ABC, and you have to answer what are the points on the angle, what are the interior points of angle ABC, and what are the exterior points of angle ABC. With that, we have completed our today's objective. It was a very chotu objective. It was nothing much to do. Just for a quick revision we did, and we learned what are the interior and exterior points of an angle. So we just do a quick recap. If you want to write down this also in your notebook, you can write it down. There are always 2 arms of an angle and there are 3 points on the angle. on the angles, the vertices are the points which are on the angles. Points inside the angle are called interior points, and points outside the angle are called exterior points. Exterior points का proper meaning is के points which are not on the arms of the angle and neither in the plane. ना तो arms पे आते हैं ना तो अंदर आते हैं. They are called as exterior, right? So with that, we have completed our today's objective. I hope that you liked our today's video. It was very simple and it was more of a theoretical session. So I thought of doing it on PPT rather showing it on whiteboard. Uh, Hope so that you all complete your homeworks by 1:30 p.m. and send it to me on WhatsApp. And we will continue our math class. And this week also we will do one Zoom activity, and you guys will have one activity on RC as well. Hope so that you all will join this week. Thank you so much, class.